You did it. We just won. Scary Larry has been defeated. Yes. Because we're pro. Let's go at the ladder. Oh shit. Very low. Maki and I won. Not heal yourself. Yeah, I know that. We're in heaven. What the hell? Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed the game. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.